Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta Singh Kirti has shared some sweet memories of growing up with the late actor, as the siblings were very close, who had hardly any age gap between them. She shared a childhood picture of the Chichore actor and one from a wedding where she is posing with Sushant. She also shared a screenshot of a June 10th chat about 4 days before the actor was found dead in his Mumbai home. The chat shows Sushant telling Shweta, "Bahut man karta hai di. I really feel like." To which she replied with a snap of a picturesque location and said, "To aa jao na baby, come for a month, just chill here, अच्छा लगेगा तुम्हें. I will tell my friends that you are here, so please come baby, come for a month. Just chill here, you will feel good. I will tell my friends you are here so nobody." She posted the picture on Instagram with a note. She opened it saying, "I'm experiencing bouts of pain. Right when I think I'm coping with it better, some or the other incidents rushes right back into my memory and breaks me apart. One such memory I am sharing with you all, because it is said that the more you share your grief, the less it hurts." She went on to share how Sushant was born after many prayers and the two were lovingly called Gudiya Gulshan. She said that the two always spent time together, played, danced, studied, did all sorts of mischiefs, ate and slept together. So much so that people forgot that they were two separate individuals. She wrote, "I have always been told by my family members that mom and dad wanted a son. More so because Mama's first child was a son and she had lost him at the tender age of 1.5. I never got to meet my first sibling, but mom and dad were very hopeful for a second son. They made a sankalp or mannat and started praying to Ma Bhagwati for straight 2 years. They fasted, they meditated, they did puja, havan and went to spiritual places and met spiritual people. But then I was born on a Diwali day. Mama considered me very lucky and often called me Lakshmi Ji." They continued with their sadhana, and a year later my little brother was born. Right from the beginning, he was a charmer. He mesmerized everyone with his beautiful smile and twinkling eyes. Shweta said Sushant was a Pithiya, which refers to the one who comes right after a person. Mama believed that I was the cause of his much desired arrival into our lives and I accepted the honor wholeheartedly. I was very protective about my little brother because I felt I was responsible for bringing him to this earthly plane, she added. She also went on to share a memory from the day when little Sushant came to her classroom to meet her. She wrote, "When we started going to school, we had to go to different classes. Bhai's nursery and my prep classes were in the same building, so we managed our first year of school pretty well. But then, my UKG class was in a different building and his prep classroom remained in the same building. So, we got separated. One day after lunch break was over, I saw Bhai in my classroom in my building. We were just 4 or 5 years old then." She continued the story in another post on Instagram. "I was completely shocked and as well as happy to see him and asked him how he got there, because his building was at least half a kilometer away. He told me that he was feeling alone and anxious and wanted to be with me. I pondered for a while, wondering how adventurous and courageous he was to escape his building with a watchman and then walking half a kilometer and entering my building right under a watchman's nose and finally finding my class and me. I found his explanation of running away from his building pretty viable, as I knew that feeling. When I was dropped off at the school for the first time, I kept crying and asking Dad not to leave me. Please don't leave me here alone. That feeling, initial anxiety to be separated from family members and be somewhere where you don't know anybody. And as a 5-year-old, protective big sister, I assured him that he can be with me. First I tried to hide him between me and my friend, but somehow my class teacher noticed him while taking attendance. I was myself a little scared, But to protect my little brother, I stood up and told her that he is not feeling well and asked if he could stay with us until dismissal. To my amazement, the teacher agreed and we were so happy. But little after 2 periods, as the social norm will have it, he was sent back to his building. But by that time, we have had so much fun that all of his anxiety was gone. Sharing a memory from a Vidai ceremony, she wrote, "Fast forward in 2007, I remember the day when I got married and I was leaving. Bhai hugged me tight and we cried a lot. Physically, we won't stay together anymore. We won't get to see each other that often anymore, as I was moving to the USA." Talking about one of the chats they had on phone, she wrote, "Both of us got too busy with our lives. Bhai got into Bollywood and kept making us all proud with his accomplishments, but I remained protective about him. I would often ask him to come and visit me in the US so that we can relive our childhood once again away from all the noise. I only wish I could have protected him from everything. I still wish I will wake up to see my Bhai just right next to me and will realize this whole episode was just a nightmare and nothing more."